Goa Governor Satyapal Malik has been transferred to Meghalaya on 18th August 2020. The former governor conveys best wishes to the people of Goa. Here's what former governor of Goa said in his message. I'm glad that I had an opportunity to serve in a beautiful state like Goa. During my tenure in Goa, which was almost 10 months, the experience has been nothing but pleasant. Goa is blessed with natural beauty. The people of Goa are very warm and generous. I have got tremendous love from the people of Goa. Goa has its own unique identity. People have their own way of living. I will love to visit Goa in times ahead, and the state of Goa will always be very close to my heart. As I depart, I wish to convey my best wishes to the people of Goa and pray that the state remains strong with all its solidarity and harmony. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on 19th August 2020 extended warm send-off to Honorable Governor Satyapal Malik. CM also took to social media and shared a message. Here's what CM said. Extended warm send-off to Honorable Governor Shri Satyapal Malik Ji on his departure at Dabolim Airport. I thank him for all the support and guidance during his tenure in Goa. I congratulate him for his new assignment in Meghalaya and extend my best wishes to him in all his future endeavors. Goa opposition leader Digambar Kamath also shares a message to former governor of Goa. Digambar took to social media and said the following. Goodbye Satyapal Malik Ji. He has told to leave when Goa needed him the most. He has made a place in the heart of every Goan. Goa will always hold him in highest esteem. God bless him with health, happiness, peace and long life. President of India Ramnath Kovind on Tuesday appointed Satyapal Malik as the governor of Meghalaya. Governor of Maharashtra Bhagat Singh Koshyari has been given the additional charge of Goa. Satyapal Malik will be replacing Tathagata Roy, who completed his 5-year tenure by serving as Tripura governor for 3 years and the remaining in Meghalaya. Malik was appointed as Goa governor in October 2019. He earlier served as the governor of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir reorganization. Malik was at the helm when Jammu and Kashmir was divested of its special status in August 2019 and split into 2 union territories. Malik, who began his political career in 1965, was first elected to the Rajya Sabha as a Lok Dal member in 1980. He was again elected to the Rajya Sabha as a Congress candidate in 1986. Malik joined the Bharatiya Janata Party and was elected as a Lok Sabha member in 2005. During his tenure in Jammu and Kashmir, Malik triggered a controversy when he claimed he had not received a letter from political parties staking claim to form the government in the former state after the BJP People's Democratic Party coalition collapsed in June 2018. He later said the fax machine in Raj Bhavan was not working. In Goa too, he vetoed the government's proposal to construct a new Raj Bhavan and said the construction should be put off till the state's financial condition improves. Soon after the news went viral, Goa opposition party expressed their views on this. GPCC President Girish Chodankar took to social media and alleged that in order to avoid another embarrassment to defective Goa CM Pramod Sawant, the BJP government led by PM Modi and Amit Shah transferred Governor of Goa after nexus between Goa BJP government and drug mafia was exposed by Goa Congress yesterday. GPCC President Girish Chodankar alleged. Goa opposition leader Digambar Kamath took to social media to express his views. Here's what Digambar Kamath posted. Satyapalak, Honorable Governor of Goa, Satyapal Malik Ji, stood by truth, emotions and sentiments of every Goan on core issues like Mahdai, economic revival and austerity measures, handling and management of COVID pandemic. Truth and BJP can't go together. Goa needed him the most now, Digambar posted. Goa Forward Party President Vijay Sardesai took to Twitter and alleged that Transfer was done due to party pressure. Here's what Vijay posted. Who will want a governor who speaks truth on Mahaday? Goa's precarious COVID situation, need to prevent wasteful expenditure and not to do scams during pandemic, and call out Goa CM for being uncultured. So Satyapal Malik, who captured Goan hearts in his short tenure, was expected to get transferred due to party pressure. But how can anyone justify a governor of a state with maximum number of COVID cases and deaths being given additional responsibility of another state with highest cases per million and a government with its administration paralyzed by ignorance and misplaced priorities? Hey Ram, Vijay tweeted. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.